All right, now we're over at the Mag Auctions shop. We're gonna get this Chevelle out and do some vintage air on it. This is one of our friends Dave's 69 Chevelle. That pretty bitchin' car. We're gonna do some AC. We're gonna change the hood hinges and do a CVF front pulley system on the 396 big block. Oh, yeah, I don't fit in these cars. And plus the seat's all the way forward. Oh my God, that's all the way back. Oh geez, a little bit better when I'm in here, but my goodness. And the battery is dead. I tell you how much I hate cars. All right, so get this turtle start. Come on, baby. Oh, carburetor. Gonna be one of those days, huh?
It's a big block.
We'll start some gear, so we're good. Oh. This is a pretty clean car.
I believe he got it for 40 something.
Don't tell Dave it's a nice car, but it's a pretty nice car. Whole trunk full of good parts. The CVF stuff. Get all the CVF stuff out. Fill that stuff up. So now I had to go get some parts. The CVF kit did not come with water pump gaskets. But for now we're gonna put the water pump on, bolt this bracket on. Anyway, so it's Wednesday about 5. We're gonna call it a day today. We got the front runner system on this Chevelle. We've got finished up making the hard lines from last night. My 10s. I'm waiting on one fitting here, and then we've got our overflow tank that I mounted to the core support. This is pretty cool. This is CVF. Did figure out how that was. We're gonna our old alternator was sitting over here, so we got to change our alternator wires over. Got the radiator out. It had a small leak. We're getting it fixed. The only thing that I noticed on this car with the CVF kit was the harmonic. There's a step on this spacer for the harmonic bouncer and the lower belt pulley. Here, it was a really super tight fit from the little step up in here to help center it into the harmonic bouncer. So we had to file that down. I'm sure that that's mostly because it's an aftermarket harmonic balancer, so that was one thing we were kind of fighting. Other than that, it looks pretty good. We got the wheel well out. I got all that stuff out, ready to throw our AC lines in. We took the old AC box out. Somebody actually smoothed the firewall out, so this car never had to heat or anything. We're going to put vintage air back into the car. We're actually getting this mocked up. Our AC unit all put together. We're gonna bracket on it. We're gonna have to change a bracket. Originally they were bolting this into the firewall up there. So what I'll do is once we get this set in a place, I'll make an L bracket that comes off of here, and it comes off of like right here, that comes down, and we'll actually mount it here on the bottom side into the toe pan of the actual car. They also had the MSD stuff mounted up there, so we're gonna have to change that. Got the heater, the old defroster ducting out, and the controls out. So tomorrow we'll work on the inside of the car, try to get that knocked out, or mostly back together. We got tore apart today and the front runner system on, so that's pretty cool, and it looks pretty good. It looks real nice in there. Pretty stoked with that. Nice kit. Oh, we got the AC condenser in here. Got mocked up, just kind of sitting in here loose for right now. I'm gonna make a bracket for the transmission fluid, or the tranny cooler. So hopefully we've more or less got this thing apart, and hopefully from here on out it's pretty much just going back together. So that's kind of the update on the Chevelle from yesterday when we tore everything out. Pulled the car in, tore everything out, or not tore everything out, but got the parts all out, organized, put everything together. It was on the table there. Till it's kind of a mess, so I'll probably come in the morning and clean up, and so when I come in the morning I'll be fresh. How about that? That's a good idea.